How to bodyweight squat. Start with your feet hip width apart or slightly wider with your toes slightly turned out. Cross your arms and place them on the shoulders and bend the knees and send your butt down to the floor where the knees are parallel with your butt. Or if you can go deeper, sit lower where your butt is below the knees, known as below parallel. Here you want to focus on keeping your back straight and spine erect. Chest is lifted and facing forward, your shoulders are back and abs are tight and engaged throughout. From the side, you can place your arms either straight in front of you, across your torso, or on your hips for balance. Focus on driving your knees out so they point directly in line with your toes. Always control the movement as you squat down and up. Do not rush this. Typical squat mistakes: sending the butt back, known as hinging, rather than down as the knees bend. You lose that upper body tension and the back rounds forwards and the chest collapses. Instead, roll your shoulders back and keep the chest lifted, facing forwards, and send your butt down to the floor. Another common mistake is not squatting to complete range of motion. So you're kind of just bending the knees very slightly and not getting that full range. So instead you want to aim to bend the knees to 90 degrees and make sure you send your butt down past the knees so you get a full range of motion and get the full benefits of the squat.